Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove your earbuds Sony from the application. And you have to start by open Sony SoundConnect application. Right here we need to disconnect these earbuds from the phone. So we have a few options how to make it. The first one, we can use a power button at the right top, and then you just click OK and it will turn off your headphones. The second option is to put your earbuds to the charging case, and it will also turn off your headphones. The third option is to go to the settings, then connected devices or Bluetooth, and right here you need to click the settings icon or information icon near to your headphones. Right here at the right side we have a button disconnect, and you can just tap on it. But if you maybe wanna totally remove these earbuds from your phone, then select to forget. You tap on it and then forget device, and it will totally remove your earbuds from your phone. But I'm going to disconnect it, and if I return to the application, we should see this menu. Then click Switch Devices, and right here you need to click three dots at the same line with these headphones, not these three dots, just this one at the bottom. Now cancel registration and OK. And now if we return right here, maybe I will reopen the application. So now we have no devices here, not connected devices in this application. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!